Give the domain of m of x equals negative 7x squared plus 6x divided by the square root of 4x plus 4 in interval notation. So the domain of a function, we have basically two things to watch out for at this point in the course. So we have to watch out for things that result in division by zero and things that result in the square roots of negatives. So division by zero, that could happen where this particular square root is just equal to zero. The square root of a negative, if we want to make sure that we have positive values underneath the square root, we could say the values underneath that square root have to be greater than or equal to zero. Well, what's kind of nice is actually we can combine the two ideas and just say as long as the values underneath the square root are bigger than zero, then we're not going to result in zero either. So this would give us the domain of the overall function here. So if I subtract 4 from both sides, then that gives me 4x is greater than negative 4. And if I divide by positive 4, you don't have to worry about flipping the sign of an inequality if you're dividing by a positive. So x is greater than negative 1. That's our domain. But expressed in interval notation, that would be all the values starting from negative 1 and going off to positive infinity, because these would be all the values that are bigger than negative 1.